Hi, I'm Eric with Cold Case Radiators, and today I'm going to talk to you about cooling options for your Tri-5 Chevy. With our radiators, you'll immediately notice the polished, stamped OEM style tanks. Dual 1 1/4 inch tubes make this radiator one of the highest cooling options on the market and will outcool 4-row copper radiators by 20 to 25%. Our radiators are TIG welded with no epoxy and include the transmission cooler fittings. For these reasons, Cold Case comes with a lifetime warranty and a 60-day cool guarantee. Now let's go over the various options to address your cooling needs. You have two ways to do this. You can use an OEM style fan shroud and fan blade, or you can use a Cold Case electric fan and shroud kit. Contrary to common knowledge, which option you choose will produce similar airflow results. That's correct. A good mechanical fan and shroud combo can pull just as much air as an electric fan setup. Remember, space may be an issue with either option, so make sure you check your clearances. By moving the radiator in front of the support, it allows the space needed for either a mechanical or electric fan setup. You can switch your radiator support from an 8-cylinder to 6-cylinder. Radiator supports are under $200 and are easy to install. Installing a V8 in a 6-cylinder car requires that you simply use a 6-cylinder position radiator and mount the radiator to the original support position. Both mechanical and electric fans will work. For 57 cars, the same applies, but the radiator needs to be designed specifically for the 57 front mount position. If using a 55-56 radiator, the inlet hose won't clear the hood brace without modification. To make things painless, we've made a specific 57 model. The last option for Tri-5 Chevy owners is a CROSSFLOW radiator. It's necessary to cut and modify your support or install a full-blown custom setup. This option is very expensive and for cooling purposes, not always necessary. Because of this, Cold Case does not offer this type of solution. For more information about Cold Case products and how they can cool your car, visit our website or talk to your favorite Tri-5 dealer.